Hey guys, it's Thomas here. I hope you're having a great day. And this is a walkthrough of my new Notion template called Rentflow, which is a property management operating system for landlords. And I've built this template to kind of meet my own pain point, which is to manage a few small rental properties and keep track of the admin, tenants, paperwork, and all things related to essentially managing successfully a small portfolio of rental properties. Okay, so let me show you how this template looks like and how it's put together. So essentially, there are four key components or databases in this template, which you can see here. So that is tenants, payments, tasks, and properties. And before deep diving into all of these, you can of course add new items here with this quick action buttons for any of these things. So you can add new property, you can add new tenant, you can add new recurring payment, new one-off payment, and also a new task here. But going through the sort of the detail of these databases. So first off, we have my tenants, which is a pretty simple database to keep track of the people that you're either in talks about renting your property to, or they are already tenants, of course, and it looks like this. So this is a space to keep track of the personal data and relevant information on the tenants, right? So stuff like email, phone, bank account numbers, which property are they related to, of course, start of contract, and basically anything else. Given that this is a Notion template, it's very easy to customize, so you can add any new fields that are necessary here, of course. So this is really keeping track of the people in your portfolio. Second off, we have my properties, which is a list, of course, of your properties that you're renting out. So to show you how the listing looks like, we have property type, we have, of course, tenants, we have the address, you can track monthly expenses, you can track the monthly commercial rent, and this gives you the monthly yield for that given property. You can track, of course, the status of the property right now, and this is also a great space to drop any paperwork here, right? So you can easily drop PDFs or links to documents such as lease agreements, property deeds, inspection reports, contracts, anything basically that needs to be here to keep it organized and stored where it needs to be. And thirdly, we have payments, right? And payments are basically, it's very important to keep track of all the payments in the portfolio. So what you can do is you can create a new template, and the listing for a new payment looks kind of like this. And you can decide between creating a recurring payment, for example, on a monthly basis, or one-off payment. So let's say that we need to create a recurring monthly payment. So we use this template. Then let's say it's $2,000. Due date, yeah, we can start May 1st. It's recurring, and we can relate that payment to a property. So let's say it's this one, and we can also, of course, relate the payment to the person that needs to make the payment. What you can do here as well is to add multiple people to that particular payment. So let's say you have an apartment which is shared by two people, and they both contribute to the rent, for example. So if we add another person here, we can see that this gives you an automatic calculation of how much each person pays. And when that payment is done, you can simply mark it as paid here, and it's moved to this like all payments archive basically. And the last but not least, we have my tasks and maintenance requests. So as I'm sure you might know, there's a lot of things obviously that need to be managed when it comes to properties. A lot of stuff that pops up. So this is a simple way of how to track different tasks You can create, of course, like due dates. You can assign responsible people for the tasks, and then sort of, yeah, in a very simple way, manage the statuses of those tasks. So this is even helpful if you're managing, yeah, like a long-term rental portfolio or even short-term rental portfolio on Airbnb or some other platforms. I think this is a simple one-page template essentially, but for me, it does what I needed to do. And yes, I really hope you find this helpful in your practice and your business. You can find the link to the template in the description. And if you have any ideas or feedback or comments on how to improve this template or what other workflows or items could be helpful there, please don't hesitate to reach out to me or leave a comment. I really, really, of course, appreciate it. And any feedback is super, super valuable and welcome. So thank you very much once again for checking this out. I hope it's helpful, and see you in the next one. Have a great day.